Hi there. In this lesson I'm going to teach you a little bit about Travis picking, and we're going to use Landslide by Fleetwood Mac as an example. This song is capoed at the 3rd fret. Sounds like this. So for the purposes of the lesson I'm going to take off the capo, so that just lowers the pitch in case some of you don't have a capo yet, but it will sound like this. Let's have a look. So let's take a look at this basic Travis picking pattern. It looks like this. You're going to first hit your thumb to string 5, the A string, then the index finger on string 3, then the thumb on string 4, then the middle finger on string 2. Put it together. And you loop that. And then you try to get faster at it by gradually increasing your speed. So the pattern for Landslide is almost the same. You do the pattern that we just did twice in a row, but you leave out the last note. So you get this, and then this, without the middle finger at the end. So that's your pattern, and then you can loop that. Don't forget to pause at the end. Try that a bit faster. And you just take that pattern through each chord in succession. C, G over B, A minor 7, and back to G over B. Sounds like this. Faster. Then if you want, you can try some other things with this Travis picking idea. The first thing is you might try it on a bigger chord like a G that uses all 6 strings. You have options in terms of which strings you might choose to pick. You could pick, it's almost always the bass note plus 3 others that are side by side. So for instance, these 3, 5, 4, 3, or 4, 3, 2, or 3, 2, 1. So if I do 6, 5, 4, 3, I'm still using the same fingers. It's thumb, index, thumb, middle. Or you try 6, 3, 4, 2. Or 6, 2, 3, 1. If it was a C chord, you just got what we did before, this one, or shifting down and using strings 3, 2, 1 along with the bass note. If it was like a D, you've only got 4 strings in your D, so you have to play these 4. then you should try putting together some chord progressions that use different string groups. So maybe you play a 6-string chord like G, 5-string chord like C, 4-string chord like D, and you try moving between the patterns. So I could choose to do these 3 strings plus my bass note. Might sound like this. That kind of thing. If you want to go further, the next thing to do would be to try the other main Travis picking pattern, which is, if I go back to the C chord, this pattern is you reverse the middle and index fingers. So it goes string 5, string 2 with the middle finger, then string 4 with the thumb, string 3 with the index finger. So you're hitting the outside strings and then the inside strings. And then you can do all the same combinations using that pattern. Have fun!